Welcome to the Easy Tech Fix It news channel, and this is about security updates for a browser. So we have Firefox 82 that has been released for everybody. If you're a Firefox user, simply go to Firefox, upper right corner in the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines. Go into Help and About Firefox, and this should update yourself to 82 if you're not there yet. Here, what is interesting to note is the security updates that are in this browser. So this is why you should update to version 82. Lots of security updates in here. Some critical flaws that are easy to actually exploit, and also some less important flaws that are not as easy to exploit, but everything should be fixed anyways. So we don't know, especially in the critical flaws, we don't know if they are exploited or not by bad guys. So this is something to also know and understand. So Firefox 82, today we are Tuesday, October the 20th, 2020, has been updated to version 82. Not a lot of new stuff. If you want to know more about what's in here, go to my Windows and Computer channel. There you will actually have more details of the new features. Here we always concentrate on the fact that there's an update for security purposes, so that's why we actually talk about it in here, for at least update to the securities. If you are using Firefox browser, simply update. Once again, all you have to do is simply open Firefox, go on to the upper right in the three horizontal lines, go down to Help, and go to About Firefox. It should update automatically. And if you don't do it, well, usually most of the time Firefox updates by itself when something new happens, when there's a new version or new updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.